Imagine unlocking the secrets of the universe with just 3 simple numbers. What if the key to manifesting your dreams lay in the hands of a genius like Nikola Tesla? The number 3, 6, and 9, these aren't just digits. They're a gateway to a transformative reality that many overlook. Have you ever felt a surge of energy when focusing on what you truly desire? That's no coincidence. Tesla believed that understanding these numbers could reveal profound truths about the universe. Picture this. With each repetition of your intentions, you're not just wishing, you're aligning your energy with the cosmos. Feel that tingling sensation? That's your intuition nudging you to explore deeper. But there's more. What if you could harness this knowledge to shift your life in ways you never imagined? Think of all the moments when you felt stuck, and consider how shifting your focus might unlock new pathways. Each time you tap into this method, you're not just practicing a technique, you're participating in a cosmic dance. So, as you navigate today's journey, keep that spark alive. What will you create when you align with the true power of 3, 6, and 9? The 369 method is a fascinating approach that hinges on the power of repetition and intention. At its core, this method involves repeating affirmations at specific intervals, 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times at night. This structured routine is thought to align one's energy and focus within the framework of the law of attraction. By consistently affirming one's desires, practitioners believe they can attract those very desires into their lives. The repetition serves not only as a reminder, but as a way to embed these intentions deeply into one's subconscious. Now, why the numbers 3, 6, and 9? Well, these numbers hold a particular significance in various cultures and spiritual practices. Many proponents of the method argue that they resonate with vibrational frequencies that can enhance manifestation. For instance, the number 3 is often associated with creativity and expression, while 6 relates to balance and harmony. The number 9, on the other hand, is seen as a culmination, bringing together the energies of the previous numbers. This thoughtful selection of intervals is thought to create a rhythm that helps individuals stay aligned with their goals. Moreover, the practice doesn't just stop at repeating words. It's about feeling the emotions associated with those affirmations. When you say, "I am abundant," it's not just about the words, but about embodying the feeling of abundance. This emotional connection is crucial, as it's believed to amplify the manifesting process. The more genuine the feeling, the stronger the vibration sent out into the universe. As time progresses, this practice can lead to remarkable shifts in mindset and perspective, paving the way for new opportunities and experiences. Another essential aspect of the 369 method is its simplicity. Anyone can adopt this technique, regardless of their background or beliefs. It doesn't require extensive training or special tools, making it accessible to all. This ease of use is part of its charm. People can incorporate these affirmations into their daily routines, whether during a morning coffee, a midday break, or as part of a nighttime ritual. It's a flexible approach that can fit into various lifestyles, making it a popular choice among those exploring personal development. Additionally, the principles of the 369 method echo a deeper understanding of how our thoughts shape our reality. By consciously directing our thoughts and feelings, we can create a life that resonates with our true desires. This philosophy encourages individuals to take responsibility for their own experiences and outcomes, fostering a sense of empowerment. The more one practices, the more they begin to notice subtle changes in their lives, ultimately reinforcing the belief in their ability to manifest their dreams. When discussing the 369 method, it's impossible not to mention Nikola Tesla, the brilliant inventor and visionary. Tesla famously said, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." This quote encapsulates the essence of why the 369 method resonates with so many people. Tesla's theories about energy and vibration form a philosophical backbone to the method, suggesting that everything in the universe is interconnected through vibrational frequencies. Tesla believed that by understanding the fundamental nature of energy, individuals could tap into the very fabric of reality. This idea aligns beautifully with the 369 method, which emphasizes the importance of aligning one's thoughts and emotions with their desires. By repeating affirmations at specific intervals, practitioners are, in essence, tuning their vibrational frequency to match that of their goals. This resonance is thought to facilitate a stronger connection with the universe, enhancing the likelihood of manifestation. Furthermore, Tesla's work in electricity and magnetism serves as a metaphor for the energy we emit through our thoughts and feelings. Just as electricity can power devices, our thoughts can energize our realities. By focusing on positive affirmations and visualizations, individuals can harness this energetic potential to transform their lives. The 369 method acts as a tool for channeling this energy effectively, encouraging a harmonious flow between intention and manifestation. In addition to his scientific contributions, Tesla's life was marked by a deep understanding of the mystical aspects of existence. He often spoke about the interconnectedness of all things, suggesting that our thoughts and feelings don't just exist in isolation, but rather influence the universe around us. This perspective is essential for those practicing the 369 method, as it reinforces the idea that our intentions can ripple out into the larger cosmos, creating profound shifts in our experiences. Lastly, Tesla's legacy serves as an inspiration for individuals exploring the realms of energy and manifestation. His innovative spirit and willingness to challenge conventional thinking resonate with those seeking to harness their inner power. The 369 method embodies this spirit, encouraging practitioners to think beyond the ordinary and to embrace the extraordinary potential within themselves, much like Tesla did in his groundbreaking work. Now that we understand the principles and the philosophical underpinnings of the 369 method, let's dive into the practical aspects of incorporating it into daily life. To start, individuals need to choose specific affirmations that resonate with their desires. These can range from financial abundance to improved health or even enhanced relationships. The key is to ensure that the affirmations are positive, present-tense statements that evoke a sense of emotional connection. Once the affirmations are chosen, the next step is to create a routine around the 369 method. This means setting aside dedicated times throughout the day to engage with the affirmations. For instance, one might choose to recite their affirmations upon waking up, during a lunch break, and right before going to bed. This structured approach helps to establish a habit, making it easier to integrate the practice into a bustling lifestyle. During these affirmation sessions, it's crucial to engage fully with the emotions tied to the statements. Practitioners are encouraged not just to say the words, but to visualize what achieving those desires would feel like. This might involve imagining oneself living in abundance or experiencing joy in a fulfilling relationship. The emotional charge behind the affirmations amplifies the manifesting process, creating a magnetic pull toward those desired outcomes. Additionally, journaling can be a powerful tool when practicing the 369 method. Keeping a manifestation journal allows individuals to track their progress, reflect on their feelings, and note any changes they observe in their lives. Writing down affirmations reinforces them further and provides a space for gratitude. By acknowledging the things one is thankful for, it cultivates a positive mindset that aligns with the principles of the law of attraction. Lastly, community support can enhance the practice of the 369 method. Whether through online forums, local meetups, or social media groups, connecting with like-minded individuals can provide encouragement and inspiration. Sharing experiences, challenges, and successes can motivate practitioners to stay committed to their affirmations, creating a collective energy that amplifies the manifestation process. As the 369 method gains traction, countless individuals have begun sharing their experiences, and the results they've observed. Many report significant shifts in their lives, attributing these changes directly to their commitment to the method. From landing dream jobs to experiencing financial breakthroughs, the testimonials are as varied as the practitioners themselves. These stories highlight the transformative potential of aligning one's thoughts and emotions with their desires. However, it's essential to acknowledge that not everyone's journey is smooth sailing. Some practitioners encounter challenges and frustrations along the way. It's not uncommon for individuals to feel disheartened when their desires don't manifest as quickly as anticipated. These experiences often lead to valuable reflections on patience, perseverance, and the importance of maintaining a positive mindset even amid setbacks. A common theme among successful practitioners is the realization that the journey is as important as the destination. Many individuals discover that the process of practicing the 369 method fosters personal growth, self-awareness, and resilience. This shift in perspective allows them to appreciate the small victories and lessons learned along the way, regardless of the immediate outcomes. Furthermore, the sense of community surrounding the 369 method often provides encouragement and support during challenging times. Hearing others' success stories can reignite motivation and remind practitioners of the potential that lies within them. This shared experience can create a sense of accountability, prompting individuals to stay committed to their practice even when faced with obstacles. Ultimately, the results of the 369 method vary from person to person, but the overall consensus is that it empowers individuals to take charge of their lives and align their energies with their desires. Whether through small changes or major life transformations, the method encourages a proactive approach to personal development, highlighting the incredible potential that lies in the power of thought and intention. And there you have it, the Method 369, a powerful tool that not only Tesla believed in, but also countless others have harnessed to manifest their dreams. But here's a thought. What if you could apply this method to your own life? Imagine waking up each day with a clear intention, using the power of repetition and focus to attract what you truly desire. Have you tried writing down your goals in this way? As you ponder that, consider this. What if the universe is just waiting for you to tap into its incredible potential? Think about the feelings you associate with your desires. Are you truly embodying that energy daily? And remember, it's not just about the words. It's about aligning your thoughts and emotions with what you want. So what will you choose to manifest next? Will it be love, abundance, or perhaps a new opportunity? The possibilities are endless. And don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. We're a community here, eager to support each other on this journey of discovery. Stay curious, keep experimenting with the Method 369, and watch how the universe responds. Who knows? Your next big breakthrough could be just a thought away.